Hi, this is Matt from PTronik, and today I'm going to talk about the D6 controller.
The D6 controller is a 6-output sequential timer. It has adjustable on times, off times, number of valves that can be selected, can run off AC voltage or 24 volt voltage, and has a general input for start-stop from a PLC controller. The D6 controller provides an accurate adjustable pulse to operate pilot valves in reverse jet pulse dust collectors. So I'm just going to run through the features of the D6 controller. On the left hand side here we have the LED status of the solenoid coil. It will flash red when the solenoid fires. CPU status. LCD display showing the next valve to pulse and the countdown time. And the controller can be adjusted by changing the on time, the off time dial, and the number of valves connected to the system. To adjust the on time, we rotate this dial here, and we can adjust the controller from 50 millisecond pulse length to 500 millisecond pulse length. And we can adjust the off time from 50 seconds all the way down to 5 seconds. And we can adjust the number of valves by removing this plug on the side here and replacing it back onto the number of valves we wish to have connected to the controller. In this instance I've selected 3 valves. The D6 controller can be powered by AC voltage, 100 volts to 240 volts AC, or can be powered directly from 24 volt DC. It has one input on the right hand side here as a remote start-stop button, so this can be connected to a PLC system or a manual start-stop button to start the pulsing of the controller. So we'll now go through the power-up sequence of the controller. First it checks that the EEPROM of the memory is okay and not corrupted. This page tells you the version of the controller and the software that's been loaded, and this tells you how many valves have been selected. It is now currently going to pulse valve 1 on the solenoid valve. I have a test rig set up and I'm pulsing 5 valves, and the 5th valve is not connected to simulate an open circuit. I'm just going to show you what the screen looks like on the 5th valve when it pulses and detects that there's no valve connected. You can see the controller pulsed the solenoid, but nothing was detected, and it's detected an open circuit on valve number 5 and indicates that there's a fault and the service technician needs to repair it.
PTronik can provide our range of D6 controllers in customised or standard configurations. Shown here are a range of standard configurations. To the left, we can supply PCB only. In the middle, we can mount the PCB to a standard small polycarbonate enclosure. And to the right, PCB mounted in polycarbonate enclosure with solenoid pulse valves fitted. We can also supply our range of D6 controllers mounted to stainless steel enclosures, metal enclosures, or hazardous area enclosures. For more details, go to the link in the description. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments below, or go to www.ptronik.com and send us a message.